Hey y'all, it's Ryan Smith, and I'm going to showcase some preventative maintenance solutions that we offer down here at 5 Star Ford in Lewisville. So the first service we're going to dive into is fuel air induction, and what this does is this not only offers you peace of mind by getting a free lifetime protection program of up to $4,000 towards internally lubricated components and injectors, but it's also going to combat our modern day engine issues when it comes to engine carbon. Folks, our next service we want to dive into is our BG brake system service. What this is going to do is it's going to get all the old brake fluid out of your car. That stuff's very hygroscopic, which means it attracts water, and that's exactly what you don't need in a safety system in a vehicle. This also comes with a lifetime protection plan of up to $4,000. We're going to dive into our cooling system service now. This one's very, very imperative to get done on your car, especially before Texas summertime. It's going to get real hot out here. We've got our cooling system cleaner, our cooling system conditioner, and most importantly, our MVP cooling exchanger. This is going to get approximately 98% of your old used coolant out, and it's going to give you fresh new coolant. And guess what? It's also going to give you that $4,000 in lifetime protection. Hey y'all, next service I wanted to talk about was our transmission fluid exchange. Many traditional shops will offer a drain and fill and a pan drop that only gets approximately 40% of the old fluid out and leaves 60% stuck inside that torque converter. So what we do here at 5 Star Ford in Lewisville is we exchange 98% of that fluid out, we clean it, we condition it, and then, you guessed it, you get a lifetime protection plan with it. The last thing I wanted to talk to you all folks about is our oil change service here at 5 Star Ford in Lewisville. What we do is not only do we drain and fill your engine oil, but we also top it off with our engine oil fortifier. And what this is going to do is this is going to combat modern day GDI engine problems, and it's also going to give you peace of mind when you're on the road up to $4,000 in the lifetime protection plan. I just wanted to thank y'all for watching, and a quick recap. We went over our fuel air induction service today, our brake fluid flush, our cooling system flush, our transmission fluid exchange, and last but not least, our BG engine oil fortifier. If you have any questions or you want to schedule a service today, go ahead and call us or visit us on our website. Thanks and have a nice day.